YouTube. It's been a long time. Like the last time I made a video, this little guy was just a baby. He was just a puppy. And so I figured we were just way overdue for a little sit down catch up vlog, share some life updates, and get you guys excited because I am gonna be getting back into vlogging. Are you excited about it? Are you ready for it? He's not ready for it. I hope you guys are though. So life update number one is honestly has to be this guy. I am fully obsessed with Gouda. He's the greatest and I love him so much. Life together is so good. He's like 1.5 years old now and he's becoming a real dog finally. I can leave him in the house while I run errands and he doesn't wreck things. He slept outside of his crate for the first time the other night and he didn't do anything other than sleep on his bed, right? He's a good boy. He is so snuggly. He's got the sweetest disposition. Right? Are you the sweetest? He gives little kisses sometimes when he's in the mood. He doesn't love being on the camera, but at the same time he like does, you know? He's like kind of cocky. And he just has the greatest personality. I just couldn't be happier. Becoming a dog mom has just been unbelievable. He brings so much joy to my everyday. And I just absolutely love it. So that is the first major life update. Second major life update is I work at Now Marketing Group. I have been working at Now since September 2020. So it's been also like 1.5 years. Like I literally got Gouda and then started my new job. So it was just so much new in that time. And it has just been incredible. I absolutely am obsessed with my team. We refer to ourselves as the Avengers because we are a squad of damn superheroes. And it is just the greatest culture fit that I have ever had in my life at a job. I have never felt so appreciated for who I am as a human and for what I contribute professionally. I feel more respected, cared for, appreciated, energized, supported, literally everything you could hope to feel in a work environment. I feel more of since joining the Now team. And that has just been a tremendously huge addition in my life. It has been just unbelievable. And I'm just so grateful. I'm so grateful to work with Jessica. I'm so grateful to work with an incredible team. And I love the flexibility that Now provides. We not only is it just a very flexible working environment, but we do like our office hours are Monday through Thursday, 8 to 5, and then Friday from 8 to noon. So I have like 2.5 day weekends all the time, which has just also tremendously shifted my quality of life. And I just, freaking love it. So that is the major second life update. And the third major update is I'm going to be moving out of this apartment. After being here we are right around the corner actually from 4 years in this apartment, which is crazy. Oh my God, I was a different person when I moved here 4 years ago. I was so nervous to live by myself. And I've just grown so much in the last 4 years. I've become so much more patient. I mean, Gouda has been a huge help with that, right? You hear your name? Did you hear your name? And yeah, I'm going to be moving out of this apartment, which is so exciting. And Goody and I are going to be moving in with the most amazing man. Watch what happens when I say this man's name. Hey, Gouda, is Matt coming? He's not here yet, though. Oh, okay. Gouda's going to go see if Matt's here. Yeah, so I figured, why not bring you along on the apartment search? So let's go do it. So I know I said we were gonna look at apartments, but here's the thing. Matt and I aren't looking at apartments until we get back from our trip to San Diego. And I absolutely love watching packing vlogs on YouTube. So I figured I'll do an apartment search next vlog, but why not pack together? So let's go pack for San Diego. Okay, so first things first, as I'm here with my pile of clothes, is the first tip that I've learned when it comes to packing is to pack in outfits. It's so easy to just throw all your favorite things in a suitcase, but then what happens is you get to the destination and you're like, crap, I don't really love the way that these pieces look together, or you're just not feeling the fit. So what I like to do is I like to write out my outfits for every single thing that I'm likely to do on my trip, and I write them in a notepad on my phone, and then I go and try every single thing on. So as you guys can literally see right here, you can see I have planned all of my outfits for the trip. And the thing about this trip is I'm going with Matt, and we are going to have a little bit of time to ourselves, but I'm also going to San Diego for a conference. So I need to be packing for like fun playtime with Matt, as well as kind of like professional networking conference time with my team. So writing down all the outfits is just hugely helpful for me. And so you guys can see, I've got all of my outfits for each day, each night written out. So let's try them on. Okay, so for our first outfit, we've got our airport outfit. I like to make sure that I am freaking comfy for the airport. Comfort is the most important thing. But also, I like to make sure that I try and wear something chunky so that it doesn't take up as much room in my suitcase. So, my leather jacket is my chunky item. And then I always like to have some comfy clothes with me as well. So that's what we're doing. We're wearing the comfy fit that we're gonna have with us for the trip, which are these Everlane pants, my sneakers, a little crop top, and then this little cropped hoodie. So this is the first fit, and I'm gonna wear this both on the way to San Diego and on the way back. So let's change into my next outfit. Quick, before I change into that next outfit, big tip. If you are doing this, if you are packing, pro tip, do not wear makeup when you're trying on all your outfits. You're gonna be literally putting clothes on and off. And the worst thing to happen, because I promise this has happened to me before, is you take a top off or you put it on and then you get a makeup stain on it and you're like, cool, now I can't bring it for the trip. So that's a little bonus tip for you guys. So since we're gonna be in San Diego and it's gonna be warm, I know that I'm gonna wanna get in some exercise. Not only am I gonna wanna work out some mornings before the conference, but there are gonna be some mornings that I wanna wake up, get in a little sweat. So I'm packing some workout clothes. I've got these leggings here. These are from Outdoor Voices. And then I've got this super cute little Free People Movement cropped tank. And so I'm gonna pack a few of these tanks as well as a few pairs of leggings. I'm not gonna show you guys all of them because I'm gonna keep it focused on like the day and the night outfits, but I am planning to pack 5 pairs of leggings and 3 crop tops for working out. So this is like my Saturday during the day look. Got this cute colored sweater from Target, my high waist Hollister mom jeans, and a Free People crop. Best part, my Nikes. So this is just like a simple day look. I am fully obsessed with this white sweater, and so I'm gonna bring this because this is going to serve as a kind of date night option, but also this is gonna be my outfit for the last day of the conference with these jeans and some white sneakers, because conference centers are famous for being freezing. So highly recommend, if you are going to a conference, wear something warm so that you are not literally shivering the entire time. I've got a feeling we might spend all day Sunday hiking and walking around, so I've got leggings and a super casual and cozy fit. My jean jacket, a little flannel, and a crop. This is my look for Sunday night. I've got this rainbow top, my high waist jeans with no holes, and a black sweater because there is going to be a little networking party before the conference. So this is going to be what I wear for that. This is going to be what I wear for day one of the conference. I've got this nice kind of like ribbed red long sleeve and these gorgeous Banana Republic print pants. So you guys can really see the details. I'm gonna rock a super simple look for Monday night and just wear this thin sweater and these blue jeans. I'm also fully obsessed with this outfit, this jade crop top and this oversized corduroy. So this could be also a Monday night outfit or a Tuesday night outfit. So gonna see how I feel. And now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna wear to the conference for Tuesday. For Tuesday for the conference, I'm gonna wear these black jeans, this silk top, and this suede olive green little jacket. This is gonna be my Tuesday night outfit. I'm gonna wear that same olive sweater with these ripped jeans and this buttery soft shirt. I'm also gonna bring this super cute hot pink silk tank that I can pair with like a black sweater or with a white sweater on top as another cute little going out outfit. And that is honestly everything that I'm planning to pack. And I wanted to make this video really to kind of inspire you guys to not only plan ahead for your trips by literally putting together outfits, but think of like the kind of classic staple pieces that you can bring, like jeans, especially for a long trip, so that you can like get multiple wears out of one piece of clothing. Because otherwise, I just covered you guys, because otherwise you're literally just packing so much freaking stuff. So I am all about finding the basics that you can pack, that you can mix and match. And yeah, so now that we've got all of our outfits, it's time to actually put everything into the suitcase. So let's go do that. So because I'm trying to fit everything into a carry-on bag, making the best use of all my space is extremely critical. So I am going to use 2 packing cubes, and I'm gonna be super smart and I'm gonna pack all of my socks, underwear, and like face masks and stuff into my sneakers. Into the suitcase to see if it's gonna zip. And you guys, I think I'm gonna be able to freaking do it. I really do. Oh, come on, let's, okay. Hell yeah! Yes! San Diego, here we come. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you press the bell to subscribe because I'm so excited to be getting back into the YouTube game. And stay tuned because I'm planning on getting a new camera. We're gonna upgrade the quality here. I've got a lot of fun content that I've got planned for you guys. So thanks for sticking around. If you made it this long, go out there and take up space because you freaking deserve it. See you guys next time.